How to fix secure folder not showing in Samsung. So if after you created or activated the Samsung secure folder, now you discover that the secure folder is not coming up on the app menu, and you also discover that the secure folder is not available in your control center, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix the Samsung secure folder if it is not showing on the control center as well as on the app menu. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to consider here is to make the Samsung secure folder show up on your control center. So if you swipe down the control center, you should be able to have access to the Samsung secure folder here. This is what you need to do. Go ahead and click on the edit pencil, then click on edit full. Here under available buttons, you want to search for secure folder. So just search through and then locate the secure folder here, click on it. Then once you click on the secure folder, you should see it here. You can just press and hold the secure folder and move it to wherever you want the secure folder to be. Then click on done. That's one way. Exit it, and if you scroll down the control center, then you should see the secure folder here. Now, another way you can use to make the Samsung secure folder visible on the app menu is you want to go to your Samsung phone settings. And on the phone settings, scroll down the page, click on security and privacy. Once you've selected that, you want to scroll down the security and privacy page until you get to more security settings and click on that. Now, once you selected more security settings, click on secure folder. Now, unlock your secure folder with your fingerprint or password. Once unlocked, scroll down the page and locate add secure folder to app screen. Then turn this on. Once that is turned on, you can now exit the secure folder page. Then if you come back to the home screen like this, then you should see your Samsung phone secure folder. You see that? So that is basically how to fix secure folder not showing in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.